today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae, and today's practical is study of eulothics. Eulothics, it is the name of algae. Let us see the practical details. Next, let us see the requirement of the practical. We need the culture of eulothics. Eulothics, it is name of algae. It is algae. We need needle, slide, cover slip, blotting paper, watch glass, glycerol and the microscope. These are the requirement of practical. And in procedure, what we have to do, we have to mount the filament of eulothics in a drop of glycerol, and we have to note, we have to see under the microscope, and we have to note all the external features of the alga. And in observation, what we have to write? We have to write details about the eulothics. It is a filamentous algae. It is freshwater algae because it occurs in fresh water. It is very common in streams of water, ponds, ditches, and near waterfalls. It is very common. The filaments are thread-like, unbranched. The algae is unbranched, thread-like, long, cylindrical, and that consists of the cells that are arranged one above the other. The lowermost cell of the algae, that is eulothics, is amoeboid, that can change its shape. And that amoeboid cell which is lowermost, it is colorless because chlorophyll is absent in that cell. And this cell is known as holdfast. And this holdfast that helps in the attachment of the filament to the substratum. The substratum may be large stone or any aquatic plant. Okay. Each cell of eulothics consists of a capital C-shaped chloroplast. It is a characteristic feature. There are many pyrenoids are present in each cell. Eulothics reproduce asexually by forming zoospores, akinets, planospores and haplospores. 4 types of spores are produced. Sexual reproduction is isogamous. Iso means similar. Gamous means gametes. That means the algae that produces male and female gametes which are morphologically exactly similar in size and shape. And when the fusion between two such gametes takes place, that type of sexual reproduction is known as isogamous type of sexual reproduction. But these two gametes are genetically different. Next, this is the classification of this eulothics. Group algae and division is Chlorophyta, and class is Chlorophyceae, order is Eulotrichales, and family is Eulotrichaceae, and the genus is Eulothics. This is